Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. This is the LED garage light. No easy installation. All you need is a light socket and that's it. So, look at that. This is going to be easy to do. Alright, let's get into it. So, if you like this item, all you got to do is click the link. It's coming from Hecai. But it'll be down below the link. And all you got to do is click on it, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. You got features, 50,000 hours, so that's good. And a little brief install procedure. So simple, just like putting a light bulb in. So if anyone could do it. Okay, here we go. Ah, I thought these would be bigger when I saw them in the picture. But these are little tiny little guys. But still, LED will brighten up your garage in no time. Or you can have it in a warehouse, maybe like a shed. Like a storage unit. Oh, that's easy to do. Kind of looks like those dandelions or daffodils, whatever they're called. So they got the cover on here. Boom, just like a light bulb. Pop it in. Twist, 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 and we'll have light. So I'm gonna go in the garage. I gotta grab my ladder, do a quick install. So you get one. That's pretty cool though. This is a 2-pack, not 2-pack, but the 2-pack. This is what it looks like. All these LEDs. Oh yeah, right there too. This is gonna be super bright. Especially if you have a small garage. I got a 3-car garage, so I'm going to have to get one more of these. But I totally forgot there was a 3-car. Look at that. Boom. Super lightweight, not heavy at all. Kind of looks like a fan in a way, but really cool. Can't wait to install this. There you go. Kind of feels like Legos. Right here. What I gotta do is remove this. Boom. And just like a light bulb, just screw it in. And boom, it's on. So much better doing this way without worrying about cutting your power, stuff like that. But I'm gonna hop in the garage, grab a ladder, climb the ladder to the top, and install. Alright guys. We'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are in the dark in the garage. Just got them up. Easy install, like I said, it's just like changing a light bulb. All you gotta do, cover your eyes for a second. Bam! So I got 2 of them right there, these 2. I'm gonna have to get a 3rd one because these are extremely bright. Look at that. Super clear. Amazing technology, guys. So definitely check these guys out. Link will be down below. Get them at a low cost. Be safe. Have a good night.